Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I was able to sew this changing cover for diapers for your baby. So just in case you're interested in learning how to sew this changing cover, please keep on watching and do not skip any of this video, because each of this video is very important, so that you do not miss anything. For this changing cover for my baby, what I did was just to measure the width, and the width was 18 inches. Measure the width, 18 inches without this. Just measure the measurement of your changing mat, 18 inches, and the length of this is around 30 inches. The length is 30 inches. So that is basically what I did. Measure the full length, 30 inches. So 18 inches here, length is 30 inches. So what I'm going to do now, after this measurement, in my length I'm going to add plus 16, meaning 30 plus 16 will give me my full length. And then in my width I'm going to times it by 2. So that is basically what I did to get this. So for the length I'm going to add 30 plus 16. For the width I'm going to times it by 2. So I'm going to times it by 2, and that will give me my measurement. So that is what I have here. Width 18, length is 30, and this height is this side. This height is this side. It's 4 inches. So for my length, I'm going to add 16. For my width, I'm just going to multiply it by 2. And so what I'm going to have is 46 by 36. That is the measurement of my fabric. Will now be 46. That is the length, 36. That is the width, the measurement of my fabric. Length, if I open it now, here I'm going to have, if I open it now, I'm going to have 36 by width. And then this is the long length, which is, my long length is 46 by length, and and 36 by width. 36 by width. I just want to fold it into 2. And we have something like this. Fold it by 2 after cutting your fabric. Fold it by 2. Then you take the down part and you meet up, mash it to this place, to this angle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where we're going to cut, but here we're not marking anything by this side. It's this side, so we're going to mark 8 inches. So right here we're going to mark 8 inches. 8 inches. Thank you. 8 inches. Yeah. 8 inches. You just have to connect. So we're gonna cut the side out. So we'll be cutting here. So we're gonna open it up. When we open it up, we have something like this. We're going to open it up. We have something like this. So what we're going to do is match the front side to the front side like this. And we're going to pin it before sewing. So we're just going to sew the side. Then also for this side as well, the right side. For this side as well, the right side to the right side. Gonna pin. We're gonna pin. We'll come over to this side as well. We'll do the same thing to here. Match this side to this side, and then match this side to this side. The next step is to sew this place. Sew up this place. By half inch. By half inch. So you see, it's clean inside. So we're gonna do this to the round 4 corners. We'll do the same thing to this side. Sew it up with half inch. I will show you when I'm done with the four. So after sewing the four sides of this, we're gonna fold the edges. This edges. I'm gonna fold it. And we're gonna fold it like this. Fold 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch, and then fold another inch. This is where we're gonna put the elastic. But first of all, we're gonna fold this and use iron to press it down. So this is basically what we're gonna do. So after pressing it, we're gonna fold again. I'm gonna fold by 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. Then we'll iron. So this is gonna be the casing for the our elastic band. So this is what we're gonna do round this whole thing. Then when we're done, I'll show you the after effect. So this is after ironing the edges. See how neat it is? The inside, the outside. You did it to the whole edges of this. You pin it, you iron, pin it inside, outside. So we're gonna stitch round as close to the edge as possible. Close to the edge as possible. So we're gonna stitch round. So right now we'll be sewing up this edges. We're sewing it up very close to the side elastic, but we're gonna leave an opening first. We'll sew here. We'll leave this place open for the elastic. We'll start here, sew round and stop here. Here, we're gonna start here. And we're gonna sew as close to this line as possible. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So you see, as close to the edge as possible. So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it round. This is the opening, so we're gonna use this, an elastic. So we're gonna go through it right now. So for the elastic measurement, I just go through it, put it to the end, put it on the changing cover, then see how tight it is before cutting it. So that is how I get my measurement for the elastic. So this is basically what I'm going to do round. Then I'll come back and show you. So we're going to come out at this other end. Yeah. Then I like to overlap it. Then we're going to put in the changing cover. So I think the elastic inside is okay for me. So this is it. So to finish it up, we're going to take this and overlap it. So overlap this on top of each other. Then we're going to use zigzag stitch. Overlap. Then we're going to use zigzag stitch to finish it up. If you've watched up to this level, and sincerely speaking, you were able to learn one or two things from the video so far, please do well to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, please do well to leave it in the comment section below, and I promise to answer every question. So this is it. Then we're going to put it inside. Then you use normal stitch and complete the sewing process. We're going to use normal stitch and close it up. Close it up. And that is this is the final results outcome of the sewing process. So you see how neat it is, you see how fitted it is. So this is how to make your cover sheet for your changing mattress or changing diaper cover. So just in case you've watched up to this level, please do well to subscribe, do well to share and like it so that more people will get to see this video. And see you guys on my next video. Bye.